Hi, it's Dave again with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today I'm going to be doing the large piece of a piece I did last week. I'm hoping to recreate this piece on a larger canvas. So it's got this, this exact same color palette. You can see I have the Quinacridone Magenta here. I have some gold, and you can see it poking through here. This is the Quinacridone Nickel Azole Gold, and I use a white cell activator. I'll talk about the colors in just a little bit, just a minute. That is the black faux pillow. So basically, my goal on this is to recreate that piece. So let's see how well we can do. Let's talk about our colors for a second. Up here, this is Carbon Black. That's by Amsterdam. That's going to be my faux pillow. Here is Interference Gold, Whitehaven, and Simplicity by This Little Piggy. This is Ore by This Little Piggy. Quinacridone Magenta by Golden. Quinacridone Nickel Azole Gold by, otherwise known as QNAG, by Golden. And Titanium White Cell Activator mixed with 3 parts of Australian floetrol. Okay, this pillow paint is going down now. This is PPG MULTI-PRO, and it's been my go-to pillow paint for the last better than 2 years now. And I like it because it has the right consistency, springing. Next is Quinacridone Nickel Azole Gold. I'm putting a large amount down here. This is Quinacridone Magenta. Next thing will be my white blend. It's basically pearl white, and I listed it earlier. So I'm going to cover this up now with my lamp black cell activator, or not cell activator. This is the lamp black for the faux pillow. Going to get a good swath across the top of it. It's important that I get enough paint down that it covers, but not so much that it causes a problem with how much there's on there, because you just want a really thin layer but covered. And the whole point of the faux pillow is that it looks like that's the color of your pillow. And when you do the blow work that I'm going to be doing here in just a second, it'll pull up some of the pillow paint, give it a back glow. So especially with the Quinacridone Nickel Azole Gold, it just works beautifully for that. I'm just trying to get enough out to the side so that I'm not having a problem with the white. I've had people ask why we do this, why not just do it black, and that's the reason for it. Okay, now I'm just going to put down some more of the Nickel Azole Gold, some more magenta, and then some of the pearl white. I'm going to add on top of that is the ore, which is a very light gold. It's a beautiful color, actually one of my favorites. This is lamp black cell activator. Now, a large amount of the titanium white cell activator. I picked up my blower and I'm blowing that out. You can see that the cells just immediately started opening up. That's what I like seeing. I'll let you watch just a second. Okay, now I need to move this around just a little bit, get some more of my area covered up. I'm a little concerned about the corners at this point. I don't know if I have enough. I have a series of 101 series of how I do my pouring mediums, my cell activators, how I resin. Just if you can think of it, it's there. So check it out if you'd like to know how I do things. So I got a little bit of a little bit of a white line there. That's where I actually touched the spreader that for the black there at that point, and it created those lines. It's something I've only learned recently, that you really can't really touch the paint because it will pull up that white. Okay, the corners are getting good covered up here. I just didn't think I had enough to go all the way over. without overstretching. And that's the trick here, is you don't want to overstretch it, because then you'll get the white coming through too. And it destroys the illusion. Okay, what I'm doing is touching up the side, making sure I have everything covered on the sides. I tried to speed this up so that we didn't have a problem with it going too long. As it is, this is going to be about a 7-minute video, which is about 2 minutes longer than I like to have them. Okay, just making sure that I don't get too much spray going around the from the spinning. I'm just going to spin it a few times. It looks extremely fast here. It really wasn't fast at all. I'm intentionally trying to let it take its time. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up a tool and I'm going to check for the depth. You can see that it's about 1/8 of an inch, so we're perfect. Time for the flyover. Notice the cells. Oh, I am wild about these cells. They really did spread out nicely. I didn't get a lot of cellage through that area there, but I couldn't be happier with this. And I'm gonna have to do some more blowouts as we go on, because I'm really liking the result, the Dutch-board look. So you'll see more of these coming soon. Thank you for being here today. If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell. It's absolutely free, and it really does help. I want to thank you very much for being here today, and hope that you have a great day. Thanks again. Bye now.